In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use spell check in Gmail. We'll walk through turning on Gmail's built-in writing helpers and then running a quick manual check before you hit send so your emails look polished every time. First, open your browser and sign in to Gmail. From your inbox, click Compose to start a new message, or open any email and choose Reply if that's what you're working on. Before you draft too much, let's make sure Gmail is set up to help as you type. On a computer, click the Settings gear in the top right, then select See All Settings. You'll land on the General tab. Stay here and scroll down to the Writing and Correction sections. Turn on Spelling Suggestions. With this enabled, Gmail underlines likely misspellings as you type, so you can fix them on the spot with a quick click. While you're polishing your text, remember that the background color option in the formatting toolbar acts like a digital highlighter. It's a simple way to mark sections you want to revisit before sending without changing the actual text. Next, toggle grammar suggestions on. This helps catch misplaced words, missing articles, and other common slip-ups that spell check alone might miss. If you'd like Gmail to quietly clean up frequent errors as you go, turn autocorrect on. It's especially handy for quick typos and repeated misspellings, and you can still review changes as you compose. When you're done adjusting these options, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This applies your preferences across Gmail on your computer. If something doesn't seem to take effect right away, give the page a moment to reload or open a fresh Compose window. Now, let's run a manual check before sending. Great if you prefer to review everything at once or if you don't see underlines while typing. Open a Compose or Reply window. In the lower right of the message, click the 3 vertical dots to open more options, then select Check Spelling. Gmail will scan your message and highlight suspected misspellings in red. Click any highlighted word to see suggested corrections, then choose the one that fits your sentence. If it's a name or a term you know is correct, you can ignore it and move on. After you've made your fixes, click Recheck to verify everything looks good. A quick final pass helps catch anything you might have missed and gives you confidence before pressing send. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.